Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. This is the Nothing Phone 2A. It continues Nothing's unique transparent design with the glyph lighting interface and an Android software with Nothing OS on top that is very clean and minimal. But this phone comes at a more affordable price. It's selling in the US for $350 and in Hong Kong you can get a little bit less than that, like 300 bucks. Now, Nothing did not send me this phone. I got this from Trinity Electronics in Hong Kong. They are shipping worldwide, so if this phone's not selling officially in your region, Trinity Electronics can send it to you if you're interested. So for around 300 bucks, you're getting quite a lot for your money because Nothing has not compromised on hardware as much as other companies. Like, in fact, when I picked up this guy, I really couldn't tell the difference between this phone and the Nothing Phone 2. And the Nothing Phone 2 is like a near flagship phone. Like, you still have a very beautiful 6.6-inch OLED screen with symmetrical bezel. On top of that, Nothing Phone 2A's cameras. You have two cameras on the back, both are 50 megapixel. Inside the phone is a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro. It is a 4 nanometer upper mid-tier chip. And for this guy, I think performance is fine because the software is so clean and minimal. These are Geekbench numbers in case you care. I mean, I don't really care about benchmarks at this point. If you're using this phone for just Instagram, taking photos, taking selfies, texting, this guy will definitely do the job. You have a 5000 mAh battery inside, IP67 water and dust resistance. And just like, you know, all Nothing products, it comes in this really cool packaging. This is the outer sleeve, and this is the inner box with this textured white box, and then you open up, the phone is here. But yeah, you don't get a charger though, you only get a USB-C cable, but this is very nice packaging. Let's get back to the hardware. So two 50 megapixel cameras on the back. The main camera does a really good job, while the ultra-wide camera during the day is good, at night it suffers a little bit. Video recording is okay. Nothing kind of does this thing where it punches up the contrast. I kind of like it. It has its own vibe and mood. It's around the front, you have a 32 megapixel selfie camera that does a pretty good job. And then you have an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers. So in terms of hardware, for $350, I don't think you can complain too much. This guy feels nice. Even though the frame and the back is plastic, the design is nice. The frame has this kind of matte coating to it that doesn't feel like plastic. And in the back, it's plastic. It attracts fingerprints quite a bit. Of course, it has that same transparent design that Nothing is known for. Although this transparent design is a little bit simplified compared to the Nothing Phone 2. Speaking of simplified, the glyph lighting has also been, you know, toned down a little bit. You only have 3 lights compared to 11 in the Nothing Phone 2, but 3 lights, it's enough. It's still customizable. Look at the software. This is very minimal yet stylish. I like the gigantic widgets and folders, and I like the analog clock. Of course, if you don't like this, you can switch it back to a conventional Android OS. Otherwise though, this is basically stock Android. You have an app tray, you have a Google search bar, notification panel right here, and the phone comes with, you know, Nothing likes to advertise that they don't really have bloatware. Although I don't agree, because when you get the phone, you still have a lot of Google apps, a lot of which I would never use, like Google TV, Google Home, Google One, a stock Google app, Google Meet, Google Wallet, Google Podcasts. Like, all these apps you cannot uninstall. So to me, they are still bloatware, but at least they are Google bloatware, which is a little bit better than if you have Trip.com and like Alipay on it or something. But yeah, this is a Nothing Phone 2A. I think for 350 bucks, can't really ask for more. It does a good job of bringing very stylish hardware with a pretty good main camera and a software that's clean and minimal. This is not a full review, obviously, because I didn't get the phone from Nothing. I just borrowed this from Trinity for a day. So this is just a short hands-on video. That's it for now. I have a lot more content coming. It's going to be a busy couple of weeks, man. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.